The challenges of imbalance. In a small village, there was a wise woman named Leela. She was known for her calm demeanor and the peace she brought to everyone around her. But many years ago, she wasn't always like this. Leela once found herself overwhelmed with the demands of life. She was a mother, a wife, and a skilled healer, and every day seemed to bring more tasks than she could handle. Her energy dwindled, and the constant juggling between family, work, and her own needs made her feel lost. One day, an elderly neighbor noticed Leela looking exhausted and asked, "What's wrong, child?" Leela sighed, "I can't seem to find balance. Every day is a struggle, and I don't know where to begin." The elderly neighbor nodded wisely. "When you are overwhelmed, it's a sign that something needs to change. Perhaps it's time to define your priorities." Defining your priorities. Leela took the advice to heart and decided to spend some quiet time thinking. She began to write down what was truly important to her: her family, her health, her work, and her own peace of mind. She realized that by trying to do everything at once, she had lost sight of what mattered most. Leela made a list of realistic goals. To spend quality time with her family each evening. To take breaks for self-care and rest. To focus on her work but not let it consume her. She broke these goals into smaller steps, spending an hour with her children after dinner, taking a walk each morning, and dedicating specific times for work and rest. Time management strategies. Leela also recognized that she couldn't do everything on her own. She started delegating some tasks to her children, like gathering herbs or setting the dinner table. She also asked her husband for help in managing household chores. In the past, Leela would try to control every detail. But now, she learned to embrace flexibility, understanding that life would sometimes change unexpectedly, and that was okay. If there were moments of chaos, she adjusted and adapted, knowing that balance wasn't about perfection. Mindset shift for balance. Leela worked on her mindset, cultivating self-awareness and acknowledging her limitations. She knew that in order to give her best to others, she first had to take care of herself. Each morning, before starting her day, Leela would practice mindfulness by sitting quietly and appreciating the present moment. She would be grateful for the beauty of the day, her health, and the opportunity to help others. She also surrounded herself with a support system, her family, close friends, and mentors who would offer advice when needed, reminding her that it was okay to seek help and lean on others. Maintaining balance, ongoing journey. Over time, Leela learned that balance was not a destination but an ongoing journey. Every few weeks, she would evaluate her progress and make adjustments. She would check if her priorities had shifted or if her goals needed to be redefined. Leela embraced a growth mindset, always learning from her experiences and using them to better navigate life's challenges. She knew the importance of self-care and would take time to rest, reflect, and recharge. Leela's journey wasn't easy, but it brought her peace and a deeper understanding of what truly mattered. She shared her story with others, encouraging them to find balance in their own lives. Balance is not about doing everything perfectly. It's about knowing what matters most and making space for it. Start with small steps, and don't be afraid to adjust as you go. Key wisdom of the story. Balance starts with defining what matters most. Delegating tasks and asking for help is essential for managing life's demands. Flexibility is important for adapting to life's unexpected changes. Self-awareness, mindfulness, and gratitude help maintain balance. Balance is a journey that requires regular reflection and adjustment.